half naked.
I'm still at home.
She's just showing her abs. I know. I don't show, guys, because I don't have it. So we came to the new bakery and this looks insane. The coffee will be done by the best barista in London.
Guys, we bought the face.
Oh my god. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. What a fabulous day. Look at Eva. You wanna see the tricks? Okay, Eva, show us, demonstrate us.
Middle. No. Come here. Right. Middle. Sit.
She's so good.
Sit. Height. No. Up. Height.
I love it. Good, we're so good at training. So today is gonna be slightly different because we are not in a mood.
We are in a cash mood.
We're in a very cash mood. We thought we're gonna do a few things. We changed our mind because we're just not feeling it, and we're gonna have a very relaxing Sunday.
I just love how different we are. Just rooted with turtleneck, ready for winter.
And this one is half naked.
I'm still at home.
She's just showing her abs. I know. I don't show, guys, because I don't have it. That's why we're gonna go have a coffee. We're gonna check the new bakery. No?
Yeah, but now let's have some apple cider vinegar so we don't spike our glucose.
Training continues. No apple cider vinegar. We're having.
It's a patience and discipline training. Stay.
I think we all should learn from Kyra. Look.
I know the measures. It's usually 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar.
Okay.
As I mentioned 500 times already. We use this. In the glass, I put the glass straw as well because I don't want to destroy my teeth. And I drink this if I'm planning to go to eat anything sweet because this will reduce the glucose spike by 30% at least.
Okay.
So I don't want to spike my glucose.
You see?
This
so
is,
good.
This is healthy, actually hack.
If you don't care about glucose, Kyra is still waiting. That's it. I want to let you eat. So this is the outfit as we don't care today. These are the brown leggings. No. Brown leggings I got in Amazon for like £7 and they are so nice. It's like a dark brown chocolate color. They are super soft. You can even go to yoga or Pilates with them. But I just like now the brown. I'm bored of black. I'm gonna drop the link below if you kind of, looking for something cheap and cheerful. I call it Amazon Finest Discoveries. Love that. So we came to the new bakery and this looks insane. Ella is ordering.
As well, or?
No, just lemongrass. I think it's enough.
Flat white for you?
Yes, flat white for me. Okay, the coffee will be done by the best barista in London.
Ruda, you're so bad. Stop distracting.
Why do you make me laugh? Not that great, not that great.
Oh my god, the little
You are getting this.
What I'm getting. Oh my god, that's like Christmas. It's a seahorse.
Wow.
You guys.
This is amazing. Oh my god.
Ruta, can you please stop shouting? Lady and her pastry.
How sexy. Don't bring your dates here. Guys, the pastry. How's the pastry? Okay, how's the pastry? Rating from 10.
10.
10 out of 10. Love it. This is the cutest cafe. You must come. It's in Battersea. Just opened, I think this week, no? It's so cool. I'm so happy. It's so good. I'm like, I love these things. I'm gonna cry. I love things in life. Guys, I'm having a coffee with unicorn. So as a total good girls, after eating 2 pastries and having amazing coffee in my hand, we're doing some cardio, meaning walking in the park. We're doing some steps to reduce glucose spike. I mean, I don't feel bad because I drank apple cider vinegar. And the place is absolutely fabulous. Highly recommend to go.
So we don't feel bad. I don't feel bad in general, never about these things, because this is, it is what it is. So yeah,
because I truly believe in a good balance. If you, for example, exercise, you do good for your body. Sometimes it's just nice to go and enjoy pastries. It's all about balance and rewarding yourself for doing something great, right?
I deserve something great every day, so every day is a reward. Look how beautiful.
This makes me really happy. I mean, pastry made me very happy, and then nature and all the leaves make me happy. Getting some
I make you happy? Do I make you happy?
You make me happy sometimes when you really want.
Every day I make her happy.
I don't think so, but okay.
Don't be like
Okay, so Eva said, come under the tree and we're gonna talk. I was like, shall I be
Because it's
scared?
so
Beautiful, look. What a great This is as artistic as it gets. This is cinematic.
I want to ask you guys something. What would you like to see more from our blog? Are you interested more in like a day-to-day life? Is it more fashion? Is it more health? Because me and Eva, we doing a lot of different things and we are interested in so many different things. So we're just trying to see what is the kind of best to share, or maybe we just share whatever we want and then you just tell us what you want, no?
Or like more cinematic.
Okay, I swear, there's nothing more we can do.
Because it's true, like what Ruta said, Ruta, look, come here. It's what Ruta said is so true. Because we love different things, actually. No, now like serious conversation. Like for example, we never really post anything about exercising and health. But I'm a big fan of sport and gym routines and all the tips and tricks that help to improve the overall well-being and health. And if you are interested in this too, we could potentially share a little bit more.
Also, shall we do? Yeah, sorry, babes. But shall we do as well like more fashion, because we both love that.
Yes.
And sometimes when we purchase good things, whatever it's high street or something a little bit more expensive, would you like us to share?
Sometimes I'm feeling like even now during this period, it's so hard to stay motivated, and we could also potentially share all the things that we do to stay motivated. And I always
more you than me, but
Ruta does nothing.
I don't know.
She shops online, so she can share like a from shopping
This is
experience.
my cardio, by the way.
And I can actually share a true cardio, like a mental well-being and healthy mind, healthy body, and a lot of shopping. So this is what keeps us sane.
I absolutely agree. Yeah, but it's nice period too, because Christmas is coming. A lot of things. Like it's nice. Yeah, but anyway, just let us know if there is anything you would like to see, especially.
These are our fabulous outfits.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't even know what Ruta is wearing. I'm just like
Glasses
really
and
Jamie, but her?
I have tights.
Well, I'm glad you do. Guys, we bought the face.
Oh my god.
And we want to show you what we got.
We got some makeup, which I love the most, and I as well. And Chanel girls in Power Station are 10 out of 10, guys. They are the most amazing ones. The service is always wonderful. Sorry, better light.
They are so
Friendly. Yeah,
honestly.
and
Obviously because we are friends.
very patient with Eva, because I cannot.
Two blushes.
Yeah,
I'll show you what I got if you want.
Yeah, she got some more makeup. So we're gonna show you the whole.
Situation right here.
Yeah, we're gonna go now to get some
But because I
dinner.
ran out of everything at the same time.
Yeah.
That's what I always do. I don't buy too many things. Just buy what I need, and then I run out of everything at the same time, and then I can.
Yeah, which is the
But-
best. I like, because the makeup stays and it has a validity date. You cannot have it open for longer than half year or 1 year, because then it goes off, especially if you put on the face. So it makes sense. It's a good approach. But we'll show you when we're back. We're going to grab some food. Yeah. just cannot get over how we look.
Casual.
It's such a first time that we look so casual.
I like that. That's
So
nice.
we're trying Ruta's new tea with
Okay.
new mugs. Not bad.
I like
Not
it.
bad. And now we want to show you what we got. Our new faces. So as we said, we don't usually buy too many things, blah 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 blah. But we ran out of everything. So first thing,
Not we.
First-
She. Okay, just as the thing.
oh that's nice. I love how they now put the perfumes. So we are testing this Ilia
Concealer, no?
concealer, which is really nice, really good texture, also.
And you're wearing it.
And I'm kind of like wearing on the side.
I really like. I think the shade is perfect
Yeah,
for you.
which looks quite nice. So I really want to try because the problem is that I don't like anything that dries out my skin because I have really like dry skin and it looks quite
Ooh,
good.
You got a sample.
Yeah.
It's a BB cream from the Japanese, Korean. Oh, this is really
Herborian.
nice. Apparently, it adapts to your skin.
Oh.
Yeah, it adapts to the color of your
We
skin.
can try maybe.
Okay, that's nice.
Maybe we can try tomorrow to look pretty for work. Then, what else we got?
This is
Ruta
mine.
got present because she was shopping with me.
I got 2 little presents, guys.
Oh
my God.
This is so cute!
Wow, it's little sticker.
I'm so taking this.
No, you're
I'm
not
joking,
taking
I'm
it.
joking. I paid money
Camilla.
and she's taking my present.
Yes.
It's actually very pretty.
This is very pretty. And look, I got the hairband. This is so nice.
What is this voice?
You don't like my voice.
Nice.
Shall I try? How do I look chic?
Rota told me that she's gonna go like this.
Look.
Out. You know it's for the makeup, to put the makeup.
Yes, especially when you do like that. Okay.
But then she said she's gonna wear it and embarrass me in public. I bought this Chanel Les Beige, whatever you
I love this
pronounce.
foundation. It's really good for very sensitive skin as
Like
well.
mine, for example.
Yeah.
Ignore my nail polish. I need to really like.
The shade is BD20. I am using BD11.
Oh, that's quite dark. Yeah, mine is BD20. I know. Oh, but it smells so good and it really like
It's a bit
feels good.
It is like really nice, but it is definitely darker than mine. But
yeah,
just
but
by
because
tone.
I still have African tan.
And you want it darker, so you
Yeah.
always need
But
to go
look.
down.
No, it's not so bad. Because
No,
like
no.
you always want something lighter under your eyes, right? And then I'm really, really happy with this. So it was a huge debate because I wanted to also get the stick one, but I don't want two. And to be honest with you, I like practical things, and hear me out. So I like the color, but I also like to have a mirror. And this
color.
and this comes with a mirror. And I love to have my red lipstick. Here you go. Yeah, it will look.
Can I
Because
try?
I like practical. You know, you get the mirror, you get the color, everything is done.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Right, while she's trying, because like it's getting very messy, I'll show you the present I got.
Guys, look at this. Even with the fingers.
I think they are more interested in the present I got. So this was a present I got, and just don't be jealous.
Wow.
This is my travel bag.
Oh my god.
Okay, white is very extra, but this is so cute.
This is a perfect travel bag.
Yeah, I
Yes,
like
white is
it.
a bit extreme. Yes,
Yeah,
kinda.
white is gonna be messy, but honestly,
Why not?
who cares? All
Okay,
for
this
quite
feels
some
like
time.
very nice.
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely.
So that's it.
That's it.
We hope you enjoyed.
It's a little bit different, but what we're gonna do next?
Look at Ruta's cheeks. Oh my god, you put way too much.
It's okay. I know. But
Let-
I
let
really
me-
like the color.
Let me
It's
fix
so nice. Sort me out. I think I'm gonna have bruises. Okay.
There
That's
you
fine.
go. Much better.
We're gonna eat and we're gonna, guys, what we're gonna do? Watch Sex and the City because it's been a while.
So this is what we do on Sundays if we don't go out, and sometimes we just want to chill at home and recharge for the next week. And it's very, very important to look after your health and mental well-being as well.
Exactly.
And if you don't feel like doing anything,
It's okay as well. it's totally fine. And just don't do anything, don't go anywhere, and just chill. Or go to Chanel and buy new face, like I did.
Retail therapy sometimes.
Retail therapy with our sport outfits. Love that.
I love that too.
Well, cheers.
Cheers. Guys,
All
we hope
things
you
are
enjoyed.
recommended by Dainytes.
Totally. And have a fabulous rest of your day, whatever you're doing. And we will see you soon.
Ciao.